Hey guys, so right now Dave's outside using the SCT to take care of some of the other tubing. Inside it, I'm going to conduct my own experiment and use our gel rust dissolver. Now the instructions say there's two methods you can use. You can either submerge your part completely in it, or the method I'm going to do, I'm going to use an applicator brush, just cover this part of the tube, wrap it loosely in plastic or saran wrap, and let it do its thing for 8 hours. So I'm going to dive in, see how it works, and we'll check back in tomorrow, see how it turned out. At this point, it's been about 24 hours since we applied the gel rust dissolver to the rusty pipe. I'm going to unravel it, see what we're working with, wipe it down with Pre to really get a good look at the results. So let's dive in. So ultimately, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. We applied the gel rust dissolver to it about 24 hours ago, wrapped it up, came back today, hit it with some Pre and wiped it with a Scotch-Brite, got some of the loose gunk off, and the results speak for themselves. Now, this is a pretty simple application, just a tube, a pipe. Where I've seen the gel rust dissolver really excel is more complex parts. For example, once we dunked an entire dash panel into it for 24 hours, and it really just, we pulled it out and the rust just fell off of it. So for more information on gel rust dissolver, you can click or tap the button in the top corner and visit eastwood.com.